Hi, my name is Mica Chavez. I'm one of the chefs here on staff at the Santa Fe School of Cooking. In front of me, what you're going to see is known as Mise En Place. That's a French term for get your shii tutti together. Do you have it? Do you have enough of it? If you don't have it, do you have a substitute for it? These little steps right here are gonna make cooking much, much, much easier for you. And I find when things are easier, they tend to be more fun. And when it's more fun, your result is better. And when you have better results, you wanna do it more. So what we wanna do is encourage you. We want to encourage you to cook, and we want to encourage you to enjoy. The worst mistake I think you can make is being afraid to make a mistake. Fail up. If you mess something up, no big deal, start again. Thank you so much for watching us. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to give us a call or email us. You can follow us on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram, and you can follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much, and buen provecho.